In today's world of data lakes, rudimentary orchestration tools can schedule jobs and move parts of data from one place to another. But to do any work at all, data engineers have to write code. Basic functions like detecting new data, reformatting data, tracking dependencies, optimizing the processing, handling errors, all need to be stitched by hand. These are just a few of the features that good data pipelines need. Finally, in the middle of all this handling, wrangling, and tracking code, there are also the nuggets, the actual business logic, making sense of the data and deriving insights from it step by step. For most of our customers who have built pipelines before, about 95% of the code is actually not data logic at all. Several studies by experts in the field have confirmed this, and this is where Ascend comes in. Ascend's unified data engineering platform anticipates and implements all these requirements of building and running data pipelines out of the box. That means 95% of the problem is solved. The only thing it can't anticipate is the 5% of business logic that the pipelines will be used for. So the platform makes that 5% of effort so accessible that data analysts can configure data pipelines themselves using SQL or Python, PySpark, or YAML, whatever their skills are. Ascend does everything else. It ingests the data automatically, it builds the pipeline automatically, it autonomously integrates them into the available infrastructure and data landscape, and constantly monitors and optimizes the pipelines as they run continuously. The platform is data aware, meaning it constantly inspects the data as it flows, looking for gaps, new arrivals, changes, errors, velocity, delays, and responds to it, either automatically making adjustments to bring the system back on track, or raising precise notifications pinpointing the problem. The result is a new data pipeline paradigm, accessible for data analysts to build data pipelines themselves. Ascend maintains order with automated governance across the logic layer, as well as the processing and infrastructure layers, providing full coverage for the pipeline and data lake environments. With today's partnership and integration, Ascend pipelines can now be queried directly from Looker, making these data sources directly available to analysts, data scientists, and applications. In closing, Ascend makes data pipelines and data lakes accessible to analysts with an end-to-end lifecycle.